Hello students, I'm Eric Knight. I'm going to be your instructor for this course, and I want to welcome you to Intermediate Accounting 2. I have a few things I want to go over with you as a brief orientation to get you going and make sure that you understand what needs to be done and you don't waste any time doing things that don't need to be done. So let's start with just looking at the course in general, and this should only take a few minutes. First of all, you'll notice that every week I'll make various announcements. These are really important to you. The first thing I would do for any module is to start by looking for the announcements and seeing what I have put there as well as what videos I have. I want to make sure things are clear, and also I'm going to give you tips to get a better grade. If you kind of go rogue on me and just do things your own way, you're going to find that you're not going to do as well, and it's probably going to take you a lot longer. So take a few minutes to watch my videos and read my announcements before you start anything, and you're going to probably do way better and be a lot less frustrated. Okay, looking at the modules, let's just look at how you're going to get points in this course. There are 3 basic assignments that you're going to do: research cases, Excel cases, and then starting in Module 2, Cengage Now assignments. Then you also have quizzes for most of the modules too. So in the research cases, I have specific guidelines and I have a separate video that tells you how to do the research cases. Make sure you watch that, because the research cases need to be done a certain way. They're not just about typing up some kind of answer. The answers need to be put into a special format. So if you watch my example and then you also read through the example case I provided for you, you'll know how to do that, and then that way for future research cases you're going to get through them pretty quickly, or you're going to get through them a lot quicker than if you didn't do this. At least you can say that. Also, you have Excel. Now for the Excel cases you have templates that are going to be provided, and there's a separate video that walks you through that also. So make sure that you watch the videos regarding the Excel assignments, and you use the templates that are provided. The templates are going to make it a lot faster because you won't have to start from scratch first of all, and by watching the video it's just going to kind of give you the tips and kind of get you through that a lot quicker. Cengage Now is provided for you, so you probably have used these kinds of systems before. So basically go through that Cengage homework and make sure you get it in each week. It may have a final date that's later in the term, not till the end of the term, but that doesn't mean it's due. It's due in each module, and the date that they put in Cengage is for the end of the term. So that doesn't mean that the assignments due at the end of the term. That just means that that's the end of the term. So make sure you do the assignments when they're due in each module. Okay, and then the quizzes. So the quizzes are provided in various modules. All you have to do is tell me the answer A, B, C, or D. You just put 1A, 2C, 3D. You don't need to do anything extra with that. As a matter of fact, I prefer if you just put the number and the letter that goes next to it. It makes it a lot easier for you, and it makes it a quicker way for me to grade. If you have any additional questions regarding the quizzes, you can always ask me. The only other thing that you have graded each module is the discussion. So go ahead and make sure you answer the discussion question by Wednesday of each week, and then respond to 2 other students by the end of that module. Make sure that your discussions are substantive, they answer the questions, and they provide any support, meaning you provide any references that you used. It's important that you do the discussions because the points add up. They're anywhere from 16 to 18 points each week. If you have any questions about that, again, just let me know. Other than that, those are all the types of assignments you have, and you'll find that each week you're just kind of going through and doing similar types of assignments, but you're building on the knowledge that you've learned before. So after the first couple of weeks, you should feel like you're in a groove. If you have any other questions, let me know, and again, welcome to the course.